Another day in the boardhouse. Oh man. We're in the. This is a vacation house. I want to go nature golfing, and we're at the beach. Whoa! Ow. I was wondering if we can see go outside or go swimming in the pool. Hold on. Have you heard of the cartoon cat? It's behind. He's behind a mysterious bed. Okay, it's behind here. Wait, cartoon cat! Wait, that's not cartoon cat. Anyways, has everyone seen my bib? Junior, it's right there. Where? Oh yeah. I knew that. Here's my bib. I'm gonna put it back on. All right. I got my bib on. So, guys, come on. Let's go in there. All right. Woo! Guys, I found him. I am Cartoon Cat. Oh no, guys, it's Cartoon Cat. I'm the Cartoon Cat. Guys, he's allergic to smiles, so we just gotta get the smile room. Wait, what? Okay, two things. Are we gonna die? Second thing, we don't know where to. Well, like, the smile room is in California, and we don't. And that's a long way there, and we don't have anything with us. No, he's right there. He told ya. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, let's go in it then. Okay, guys, I finished off Cartoon Cat. Wait, I have a flashlight here. Cartoon Cat's now dead. You can go back where you were now. Wait, he's dead? Yep. But that was like a 53-second video. No, it wasn't.